The iPhone SE series has always held a unique place in Apple's lineup, providing a powerful, compact alternative for those who crave the quality of iOS without the hefty flagship price tag. With the upcoming iPhone SE4, Apple seems set to evolve its most affordable phone with exciting, modernized features. The SE4 isn't just about keeping up with trends. It's about redefining the standard for compact smartphones and bringing high-end features to a budget-friendly option. Today, we'll dive into every aspect of this eagerly awaited device, from its design to its performance, camera capabilities, and anticipated release date. OLED screens can produce more vibrant and accurate colors, perfect for streaming videos, gaming, and everyday browsing. Each pixel can turn on or off independently, producing true blacks and creating a more immersive viewing experience. The OLED screen maintains brightness and color from wider angles, enhancing the overall user experience. Point one of the biggest anticipated improvements in the SE4 is the integration of Apple's latest A17 Bionic chip, which brings desktop-level performance to the iPhone SE4. This upgrade will not only improve the speed, but will also add advanced AI capabilities. The neural engine within the A17 chip powers features like photo processing, facial recognition, and more advanced AR applications for the SE4. Apple is likely to boost the camera quality, focusing on improving both the hardware and software aspects. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate features like night mode, improved HDR, and portrait mode on both front and rear cameras. Night mode capture clearer, sharper photos in low-light conditions. A feature not available in the current SE model. Battery life is crucial, and Apple plans to deliver a device that doesn't compromise on endurance. Thanks to the efficient A17 chip and optimized iOS updates, the iPhone SE4 is expected to provide all-day battery life, even for moderate to heavy users. With the anticipated glass back, the SE4 will likely support Qi wireless charging, a convenient option for users. Apple is expected to provide fast charging capabilities, potentially reaching 50% charge within 30 minutes. The iPhone SE4 is expected to launch with iOS 18, the latest operating system, providing users with all the latest features, security, and updates Apple has to offer. iOS 18 will bring multiple new functionalities designed to enhance productivity, security, and accessibility. Early 2025. Keep an eye on March as a possible launch month. Price range expectations. Apple may position the SE4 between $399 and $499, maintaining an affordable price point while offering premium features. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe,